Hi guys, good morning. I'm Ipsita and welcome back to my channel. So today dad and I are going on a 500-kilometer road trip across Assam. It's 4:30 a.m. right now. We are all ready. The car is ready. The luggage is stuffed. Oh, my dad is also ready. So let's go and begin the journey. Sun is up now. Beautiful scenery going on. I think I'm gonna doze off for some time because Kalrat, I literally slept for like 3 hours. I'm gonna doze off, but my dad's gonna be driving the car. But he had sufficient sleep yesterday. That's the sun. No idea why there is so much of fog today. So this is the time when I usually come back from my morning walk, and उस समय तक तो everything gets cleared. But आज पता नहीं ना ज़्यादा fog क्यों है. Guys, it's so foggy. Like I could not sleep. We have stopped over for a quick toilet break. The situation, do you see the situation? So my dad needed my help, like to see through the roads and all. So I could not sleep. So the sun is finally out now. Let me just quickly introduce you to my co-passengers. We have Parvati Bai in the back. Parvati, hi baby. Data driving the car. He can't say hi because he's driving the car. So now we are looking for a place to have our breakfast. So we have just taken a turn from the highway and we are in middle of a paddy field. Yeah. So we'll be having our breakfast to this view you see behind me. Good news is that we could cover a lot of kilometers in like a few hours because the road condition has improved in the past years. I think in 2020 itself a lot of work has been done. So in Assam before we did not have any 4-lane highways. So the only 4-lane highways that existed was between Nagaon and Guwahati. So now pretty much throughout the state, like in tips and tips, there are 4-lane highways. See all the construction work going on by the side of the road. So now we have entered Jorhat bypass. It took us like around 4 hours from Digboy. So that's a good thing. So that means we are at the midpoint of our road trip right now. So I just took out my sweater because it's like really hot right now. Yeah, it's around 10:30 a.m. and we are about to reach Kaziranga National Park. We have gotten out of the car because उस time से गाड़ी में बैठ के our legs have become numb. So this mountain that you see behind me is known as Bura Pahar. Before this road was made, like I think 50 years before, a lot of accidents used to happen at this road. So it's kind of a dangerous road here. Journey is here. We are in the Nagaon Guwahati highway. So this 130 kilometer stretch is fully 4-lane. So it will not take us much time. Like we should reach Guwahati by 2 hours. Wanted to just quickly tell you the budget of this trip. So since we are going by our personal car, it took us 3,000 rupees on diesel from Digboy to Guwahati, which is around 500 kilometers apart. So that way, if you want to plan to any location, you can get an idea. Jorhat Numaligarh is the midway of this journey. Filled our tank first at Digboy for 1,500 rupees, and then at Numaligarh again for 1,500 rupees for Guwahati. And if you come by bus, if you come by bus, the journey would be cheaper. An AC bus would cost you around 650 to 700 rupees. So you can plan your travel accordingly and enjoy the view and enjoy the journey. Almost there. My legs have all become numb. It's like the 8th hour going on, so pretty much exhausted. We have around, I think, 30-40 kilometers left. The site of Meghalaya Hills mark that we have reached the outskirts of Guwahati, which is our destination. And now we are at Jorabad because of the twisty paths that you see, and we'll be going like this. And then we'll be going like that. This road, when it used to be a 2-lane road, we used to vomit a lot as kids because of the twisty, turny curves in the mountain. And I think in 15 minutes we should be able to reach our destination. Yay, finally. Guwahati now, which is our destination. Hey guys, so we have finally reached our destination at Guwahati. I hope you enjoyed the journey along with us. If you like it, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you never miss an update whenever I upload a video. As you guys know, I have changed my upload schedule to Monday 6:30 p.m. Stay happy, stay safe. I'll see you guys next week, Monday 6:30 p.m. with a new video. Bye.